Okay, let's spotted. Okay, ready? Okay, dali ka China. Ready, go! Ready, go! Oh, kaulaw! Kaulaw min si Allen. Ready, go! Ano lang? Go! Ayan, Perky! Sinikot ang tagaan of clown. Pistola na sinikot tanan. Nanauli ka ta. Ate, thank you so much. Napa. Hindi ka na paulay dito. Napa na mga tinaguan. Alright, so thank you so much to our second pair. Let's welcome our third pair, ladies and gentlemen. We have Mr. Al-J Habar and Miss Shelame Tio. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ready? Ready, come on. Asa ba yung partner?
Yang ibyan.
Sige, nilitar yung partner. Okay, so let's welcome our fourth pair. We have Mr. Eugene Habar and Miss Les Villaflores. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so kanino inyong sayaw. Wait, saha, kani, China ni siya. Okay, go! Kana. Ready?
Yeah.
Uy, ayaw ka ulaw. Kana. Ano lang sa doon, kana?
Wala ka mo alok, kanyang waris na sa aking alok.
Go! Naulaw silang duwa. Sige, nalay na mo, forward na mong duwa. Alright, let's welcome our last pair. We have Mr. Russell Villaflores and Miss Rian May Habar. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Pasayawan natin sila. Ay para kami ang fair sa ugan. Okay, sayaw kami. Sige, go!
Excuse me. Can I have your attention please for one more?
Go! Kada. Ulaw. Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Shall we give a round of applause to our gorgeous and beautiful bridesmaids and groomsmen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to our best man and maid of honor. Shall we give a round of applause to Mr. Tino Habar and Miss Clarenda Mangrano. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Go. Ready? Perfect tandem. Okay, go. Yes, I'm going to sir. Ano sa mo? Raulawag sila. Okay. So wala pa na humano because we are going to let our brother dance. Okay, alay sa kuga kato si mong music day. Okay. I-connect sa nato, no? Sige, kana. So wait for a while, Rao. Wait for a while. Okay. Sige, let's start with our bridesmaids. Okay, atong palakpakan atong mga bridesmaids. Katong okay, asa itong mga bridesmaids? Nanago at so then, ano ang itong mga groomsmen? Okay, pag-anda pra budaan.
Guwapa bito sa bata.
Okay. Sige, ready! Ma'am, asa to dapit, ma'am? Asa to yung news? Asa to? Ato mga kamusikan festival.